Evo, živijo. Zelo me je navdušila tudi knjižničarka Marie Latour. Ona je namreč naredila 4 različne igre, s katerimi skuša približati open science, se pravi odprto znanost, točno citiranje in pa še ena stvar, one thing more.
Open science.
Open science, bibliographic citations
and in open science.
And in open science. Tako da zdaj vam bom pokazala, kakšne so te, ona vam bo sama razložila, jaz sem čisto navdušena, tako da najbolj, da kar začnemo. Evo. Hello.
Hello.
Maria, she's coming from South America, so she flies very, very far, you know. Okay, Maria, can you explain me about the second game about open science?
It's a game to debate about open science because students like PhD don't know all the issues of open science, and it is a game to answer their questions and to debate. There is characters card which have points in green, in blue, in yellow. There is a character with propriety, like carriériste, free access militant.
Can you show a little like this so we can see?
Like perfectionist, like defensor of knowledge.
Oh, so good.
And each character has different things he wants, and it is these points. And these points are, for example, green, it's quality of knowledge. He needs. Blue, it's information sharing he needs for his characteristic. And yellow, it's recognition, reputation he needs.
Okay.
So, all of the players have card characters. They hide. And this is the condition of successful.
Okay. And then you have here the table. What is this table?
It's the board game. Each player has a role, and there is card like this. I wrote on each card. For example, the position of the article on an academic social network, or sharing of information on Facebook.
Okay, so if I took this card, then I have to do what?
Yes, and for each card there are 6 points, and with 6 points they have to say how much they put on quality of knowledge, on information sharing, on recognition, reputation, with arguments to convince the other participants. And this argument depends of their objective, but they have to find arguments for their objective.
Okay, but just now I don't understand. So I take this card. And then what? What I do with this?
I have to have at least 20 points in green, 40 points in blue, and
how I get these points?
These points, all these cards is 6 points, but you have to give in the 3 colors.
Okay.
And so the student debates where they put the points, and to convince the other, they have to find arguments, and they have to reflect to the advantage of all solutions.
Okay, great. This is also very good. So, is it possible that our librarians also get this game, or is possible that maybe we can also do in our libraries?
It's total open. It's a deposit in an open archive, and all the librarian, the researcher can download this game, can reuse these, can modify these. If you want to make a version in Language, for example, you can, and you deposit the new version in the archive. It's created to live and to circulate.
Okay, great. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
sharing this with us.
Thank you.